this is Sonia from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We start a new series, which is the Beatitudes, and we're starting with Matthew 5, verse 3 to 4. And blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. So yeah, this is our memory verse for the week. You're going to put that behind the daily section. You're going to concentrate on that for the next week. Your daily one, you're going to move into the even section. You're going to concentrate that on the even days of the week. Your old even verse, you're going to move into the odd section. You're going to concentrate that on the odd days of the week, like the third, fifth, seventh, and so forth. On your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I think we did, yeah, I think let's put it behind Saturday. I can't remember when we did it last. Doesn't really matter. My old Saturday verse, I'm going to move into my monthly section. So when I get to that day of the month, I'm just going to revise it. I have numerous ones behind each one, so it doesn't really matter where I put mine. But let's put it here behind the 21st. So yeah, I hope it's going to be a blessing to you over the next 4 weeks, concentrating on this 4 verses, the Beatitudes. This is going to be our last 4 verses for the year, and then I'm going to take a 6 weeks break, 7 weeks break, because this is our summer holiday here in South Africa. So then we'll start next year again with memorizing scripture. But yeah, hope to talk to you soon.